Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to use the sum function in Excel. Supposing you have these three numbers, if you want to add them using the sum function, first you have to select the cell that you want the answer to appear. So we can select cell F4 here. This is column F. This is row 4. So here, this is the cell that we want the answer to appear. Then we press our equal to sign. Then we type the name of the function. The name of the function is sum, S-U-M. Then we open the bracket. Then we click on the first number. The 2 will not appear because the 2 is in cell B3. So then we bring our comma. We click on the second number, which is 5. You will not see the 5. The cell name will appear, or the cell address of where the 5 is will appear. Here the 5 is in what? Cell C3. Then you bring your comma, then you click on the last number, that is 7. 7 is in what? Column D, row 3. So D7. Then you close your bracket. So what we are saying that if you want to use the sum function, first select where you want the answer to appear. Then you bring your equal to sign. Then you type the name of the function. The function is of sum. So then you open bracket, you click on the first number, you bring your comma, you click on the second number, you bring your comma, then you click on the third number, then you close the bracket, then you press enter. So 12 2 plus 5 plus 7 will give you 14. So if you want to see the formula again, if you click on it, you will see the formula here at the formula bar. So thank you very much.